boys and girls. Okay, today I think is going to be super easy because we are talking about proper nouns again. And if you remember from the last few days, the most important thing that we've been talking about with proper nouns is the fact that we have to capitalize them. So it says, a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Perfect. All right, so it says when proper nouns contain more than one word, you have to capitalize each important word. So they give some examples, like The Wizard of Oz. This is a title of a movie, and because it's a specific movie, it is a proper noun, and you need to make sure that you are capitalizing all of the important words in that title. So you'll notice the first word is always capitalized. The second word, because it's wizard, is capitalized. But the O in Wizard of Oz is not capitalized because it's not an important word in that title. And then Oz, even though it doesn't look very capital-y, it is. It's capitalized. Same thing with Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. It is a title of a book and a movie. Harry Potter, both of those are capitalized because they are important to that title. And the are not capitalized. They are not important in this title. And then Sorcerer's Stone is capitalized again. Smith Rock State Park, all of those words are important in that title, so therefore they are all capitalized. Let's make sure we write down that information. And I'm going to pull up a new one of these. Did we talk about capital nouns in this one yet? A noun, common, yep. Okay, so if you want to flip back to your notes on proper nouns, you can kind of go back there. I don't remember what date that was for you guys, but anyway, I'm going to go back to this one just so I can keep my notes together. If you have to use a new page, that's okay, though. Just make sure you date it. Okay, so we have in here that a proper is a specific noun. That means that there's only one of a kind, and it is always capitalized. So, for example, December, Bob, and Monday. So we have to add in here, if it's a proper title, or they contain more than one word, capitalize the important words. I'm going to say leave out words like the, and, or. All of those words are not important to a title, so we can leave those out. Okay, so we've gone over again that if there are more than one word in the name, which is a proper noun, then you have to capitalize all the important words. We also have to make sure that we are, I'm going into the wrong one again, that we are capitalizing all days, which we knew that already. We need to make sure we are capitalizing all months. We need to make sure we capitalize historical events. And that we capitalize places. We also need to capitalize nope, I knew that looked funny. There's an A in there somewhere. Organizations. And we capitalize nationalities. Okay. So let's go ahead, and I want you guys, I'm not going to rewrite it, so if you need to pause this video, you can pause this video, but I want you to write this, what nouns we capitalize, in your notes as well, so you have an example for you. We also want to capitalize, so you can write this in your notes as well, abbreviations of days and months too. For example, if I say on Fry, that's like a abbreviation, you need to make sure that that's capitalized. Or sometimes we see December, you need to make sure that's capitalized as well. And one last thing that we have to make sure that we are capitalizing is letters in initials. So, for example, I like this one. John, we know that's a name, so we know we have to capitalize the name. F. Kennedy. So this is his full name. Because this is an abbreviation for his middle name, F, it has to be capitalized. So abbreviations are capitalized, and letters in initials are also capitalized. So make sure all of this is in your notes for your examples. And then today we are going to work on page 63, which is capitalizing proper nouns. And they're going to go over the same things in the top box as we just did. So when proper nouns contain more than one word, you capitalize each important word. That's a big one for today. They give you what things you need to capitalize as far as days, months, holidays, historical events, geographical names, nationalities, and organizations. Whew. Okay, and then they went over again, if you have initials or abbreviations, those have to be capitalized too. So here's a nice reminder so that you can look at your notes and compare it to this. However, it says rewrite each sentence correctly by capitalizing any proper nouns. So you have to think to yourself, is this a specific noun? Not just any noun, not just any person, place, or thing, but a specific is the key word. Person, place, thing. Okay, I will do the first one with you. Please make sure when you're doing this that you are capitalizing the first word in the sentence, because we are working on capitalizing, and that'd be silly if you didn't. My family, even though it's a noun, it is not a specific noun. If they said the Sanders family, you might want to capitalize that because you're being specific, but family is not specific. The family will, travel is a verb, so we don't need to capitalize that. 2. Then we've got Mexico. Now, Mexico is a place, so I know that that is a noun. But I have to determine if this is a specific noun or a common noun. Now, I know Mexico is a country. So because it's a specific country, I know it's a proper noun. Therefore, I have to capitalize Mexico. Next. And then July is a month, and because it's a specific month, it is a proper noun. Therefore, we capitalize July, and we end with a period. You are rewriting the whole sentence with proper punctuation. If you have any questions about proper nouns, please ask your teacher.